Manufacturing built the American economy, but decades of modernization, offshoring, and refocused domestic priorities have set American manufacturers back, until now. With a renewed government commitment to strengthening the national defense, companies can use quality management systems to compete for valuable military contracts. Small manufacturers will be the secret weapons that help America win in the 21st century. Although some military contracts are offered by large defense companies via subcontracting agreements, it is the federal government itself that provides the most compelling opportunities for small and mid-sized manufacturers. Government contracts are awarded by the SBIR and STTR programs, which were created in the 1980s to reinvigorate American manufacturing. Prior to this, American companies had fallen behind Japan and other global competitors, hollowing out U.S. manufacturing. But thanks to the efforts of Presidents Carter and Reagan, the SBIR and STTR programs gave companies a game-changing boost, the opportunity to develop and patent new technologies using federal funding resources. Under the two programs, around $1.8 billion are allocated to military contracts each year. These funds are used to develop everything from military equipment to cutting-edge software, and companies are awarded contracts based on competitive solicitations. Although similar, the SBIR and STTR programs are differentiated by their scope and involvement of research institutions. The SBIR program has more funding and allows companies the option to collaborate with universities, while STTR awards target academic-driven partnerships and require university leadership. Most SBIR and STTR contracts are awarded to small companies, with 64% of awardees having fewer than 20 workers. This partnership model combines private expertise and governmental support to deliver innovative results. But to qualify for these awards, companies must adopt a proven quality management system, or QMS. For defense contracts, the most popular QMS standards are ISO 9001 for general use and AS 9100D for aerospace-focused projects. These standards serve as protective guides that establish safety and trust, because in a military setting, failure can result in tragic, life-ending consequences. The bar is set high for a reason, and a QMS can help your project win the trust of America's warfighters. The unofficial slogan of NASA is that failure is not an option, meaning that those in positions of life and death responsibility can never accept scenarios where catastrophic failure is normalized. QMS to Go helps companies achieve the spirit of this oft-quoted slogan while easing entry into the exciting and lucrative defense sector. Our software is trained on the ISO 9001 and AS 9100D standards, and our AI-powered assistant allows quality managers to easily create compliant documents and reports, matching a company's intentions with the QMS standards requirements. Most importantly, QMS to Go is created by an engineering team which has competed for and won valuable defense contracts. Our first-hand experience has informed the software design and interface. This is a product created by and intended for manufacturers. So, on the eve of our nation's 250th anniversary, let your dreams take flight. Think of how your company can innovate when tapping into these resources, and how you can help America keep winning the global strategic game. Reinvent American manufacturing and keep our country strong with QMS to Go.